I'd like to get a job. Okay, no worries. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. It means to fucking save people's lives. It means to go out there and fight for your country. It means a lot, mate. It means to save all the gangs. I reckon I can be I reckon I'd be a good soldier, mate. I reckon I could take this country to a new place. Honestly, mate, do not know that one. 1/3. Um, I'm in a sticky situation here. Don't know that one, mate. 2/3. Um, let me read that again. Don't know. I'm guessing. I ain't got a clue, mate. I'm not very good at these questions. Not very good at maths either, mate. But I'm guessing that's a fucking three.